Ever felt like your metabolism could use a boost? Metabolism is your body's energy system, converting food into fuel for all your functions. It's like an engine that keeps you running. Enhancing its efficiency means improving your overall health, energy levels, and ability to burn calories. Now let's dive into the actions you can take to reset your metabolism. First up, hydrate intelligently. Make a habit of starting your day with a glass of water and aim for at least 8 glasses throughout the day. Consider adding cherry juice from Traverse Bay Farms for an antioxidant boost, and consider substituting your afternoon coffee with green tea. It's a natural metabolism booster. Next, prioritize protein. Incorporate lean protein into every meal to increase your post-meal calorie burn. Options can range from chicken to tofu. For an easy boost, why not add a scoop of protein powder to your morning smoothie? Then, get moving. Include both cardio and strength training in your routine. Strive for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity weekly, coupled with muscle-strengthening activities on 2 or more days. Sleep more soundly. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night and establish a regular sleep schedule. Consider sleep-promoting routines like limiting screen time an hour before bed and creating a relaxing bedtime ritual. Stress less. Engage in daily stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Remember, hormonal imbalances caused by stress can affect your metabolism. Spice up your life. Add metabolism-boosting spices like cayenne pepper, ginger, and cinnamon to your meals. Not only do they enhance your body's fat-burning ability, but also add a burst of flavor. Lastly, consider intermittent fasting. It's a method proven to improve metabolism and fat loss. Start with a simple approach like the 16-8 method, but always consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any fasting regimen. Choose 1 or 2 actions to start with, gradually integrating more into your lifestyle as you become comfortable. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results.